What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another Pokemon cards. We have got
the Halloween one.
Halloween ones.
Halloween.
Trick or trade. Right. This one's not going to be a battle. It's just going to be a normal pack opening and hopefully see what's in the cards. Yeah, we'll go from there. First I want to give a big shout out to Bearded Collectibles. They sell Pokemon packs, they sell pop figures, they sell the little duck figures as well. Everything's going to be down below in the description. Check them out, check the Facebook out, check their website out, and yeah, happy shopping. Alright, let's get ready. Up a jump. Right, are you ready for the Halloween one?
So I get to open first because I won the last one.
We're not doing the Batman ones yet.
I know, so I'm going to open first, don't you? Okay, so...
So in these packs, you get 3 cards per pack.
Or there would be too much because there's 120 packs.
Right, if I start unloading them out. Look at all these packs.
And there's no energies in these packs.
No.
No, there's no stinky energies in these packs. Because, oh, Dad, first one pull off a banger.
Look at that one.
I got that one yesterday. Dad, it's your turn to open one. Already pulled off a shiny. I hope so. You can get Pikachus in these as well.
Yeah.
There's some Pikachus. Oh, look what I have.
So we've got...
Ghastly.
There you go.
I got Ghastly is my thing.
Ghastly.
I'm falling.
Trevenant.
Oh, my butt. Ah, you're pushing me off.
I'm not pushing you off. Right.
Ah!
Yes. We've got Haunter.
A shiny. A
Nice,
shiny.
isn't it?
Yeah, that's cool. I put in all the shinies in a different pile. I think you're gonna do fine.
Yeah.
When you get a shiny post, I want to slap it.
You don't need to slap these ones.
Or you'll bend the cards. You'll bend the cards if you slap them.
Yeah.
So I got the
That's careful.
I got the gun. So I have, who's this guy?
Right, you've got Dusclops,
Look, I
You
have
got
a shiny.
Trevenant. That's a nice one, that.
Okay,
Murkrow.
put that is in a shiny. I got Halloween one. Yeah. This is shiny. I'm just going let's roll it up. Gotta pick your lamp. Gotta not there now. Let me put this back in the another one.
Another one.
Wow, Jack's looking so good at this. Okay, next one. Right.
Keep opening them, Jax.
Keep opening.
See this too?
Hey, it's my turn.
No, just keep opening them, Skylar. You've got loads to get through.
We're not going to be able to.
Keep
That's
opening
a
them.
cool card.
Go wild out. Open as many as you can.
That's a good card.
Yeah.
Oh!
Houndoom.
Wait, that's it.
Yeah.
I did the open.
Right, make sure you open them here, yeah?
Yep. Dad, can you please help me?
So, if you open them like this, you got this little tab here. Just pull them apart. There you go. Go on then. There we go. Hey! There we go. So look, we've got here. Oh, look, I've got Pikachu.
Look what what I got.
We have got a
Look what I've
Pikachu.
got.
Look at that.
And I've got
Do you want to hold the Pikachu?
That's look, I got a shiny.
We got that one.
I got this. Do you know he's
Shop
name?
it.
Dad, do you know his name?
Poltergeist.
Poltergeist? I've got a bat.
I'll tell you what, Jack.
This
You
is a
might as well.
shiny.
Saves you leaning
I can
over.
see it's a shiny. Look, it's a
Oh, it is,
shiny.
isn't
It's a shiny card. This is a shiny card. It's going to possibly be shiny. Possibly the shiny, so they
What's the card here? Look, we need to shine them on the camera, don't we?
Yeah.
So we got that
The
one.
shinies are there. The shinies need to be over
And we've
there.
got.
Oh look, a just look.
Let go, let go, let go.
We both look same.
Yeah. There we go. Look at that.
And I've got some for me. And Hunter. Yeah.
Okay.
There's another one. Oh, that's the third one, and another one is left. Look, Mark. Oh, Skylar,
Bennett.
we've got two of them now. I put them in the shiny
You've
pile.
got to show the camera, Jack. Come on. There we go. Let mimic you. Alright.
Another one of these.
We've got Ghastly. Another Pikachu. There we go.
I only have two. A shiny. I only have two. Nope, not shiny.
Yeah, because Jackson took the other one, didn't he?
Oh. Oh, look. We have 3 of these.
Yeah, we've got loads. We're going to have loads of the same ones, aren't we?
Another one. Wait, another one of these.
Oh, no, I don't think we've got this one.
No, we don't have No.
You got that one.
Look.
Chandelier, I don't think we've got that one either. Chuck it. There we go.
Chandelier. Huh? That's shiny. That's just shiny. Pass me all the shinies and I'll put them in the shiny pile. And also,
Jack, yours is right there.
and just pass me the shinies and then I'll put them in there.
That's right, we'll sort that after. Go show the camera. We'll put them here. That's it.
I've not got one. Another chandelier.
Yeah. Difflin. Bennett.
Next one. What? We have a skeleton dog.
We do. That's a ghost dog, isn't it?
Huh? It's a shiny one.
Houndstone. There we go. You're going to put the other one there. Oh, look at that. Ready?
Dad, look.
We got Gengar. Daddy's favourite.
My favourite too.
Oh, look at that. I'm glad I got Gengar.
There's even a skeleton Gengar. Jackson got it. Oh, look, we have one of these handles. Oh, I have a Pikachu. But it's a shiny
You got
one.
Pikachu.
This is a shiny one. Wow. Show the camera. I think.
Right.
I went like that.
No need for the attitudes. Right, we've got Haunter.
Oh, Dad, do you know his name? I know. I missed that. Dad, the shiny
Another
one.
Difflin.
Dad. Oh, I just got that.
Right.
Dad, I got Gengar. Dad,
You got
look, I
Gengar.
got shiny. I got
Hey.
a shiny Gengar.
Look at that. Shiny Gengar.
I don't have one of them. I'll put all the shinies up because I don't want to scroll through like over 100 cards just to find one shiny. Oh, Jack! Look, I have the same like you. We have put them in the shiny pile. Oh wait, we had to
That's
show
it.
the camera.
Jack, show the camera.
And this
Right.
camera.
1, So, go on, put it on top. Put it on top, go on.
A bat. A ghost dog. And what else bats? That's. Can you put this in here? Why do I have to? Let's try and do this. Oh, I don't think we have this one yet. I don't think we have had this one yet. I got that! Yeah, I got that. I got that too!
Oh, look at that one. Marshadow.
Yeah, I had that one. Oh! Look! I never ghost dog. Look what I have. Look that. Wow. I have the phone.
No, you've got to show the camera.
Oh, I don't.
1, 2, Houndsdale. There we go.
And
We'll put them in there. Right,
yes, I got my first Pikachu. I think this one has a Pikachu.
Right, I think after this one, we're going to have to get rid of some packets. Because there's empty packets everywhere.
Yeah.
Right, ready for clean up?
Hang on,
One minute, wait.
Hang on, let me do.
No, I said last one.
Yeah, this is my last one. Yes, this is my last one. And boop, boop, boop.
There we go.
I need to stop. Boop, boop, boop. Huh?
Right. Let's get tidying up. Right. Now we've had a clean up. Are you ready for another round?
Yeah! Okay. Open it. A realistic one.
Yeah, Scarlett, pass me here.
A realistic one.
Right, if you open it, I'll show the camera, yeah? Go on, you open it, I'll show the camera.
No, Sky, I'm not giving them to you. Well, you're going to see one, then I'm going to use the shiny one. So I can actually take all yours and I'm going to have a full pile. Look!
So we got
We've got none of them.
Ghastly,
Gosh.
Dust Noir, look, that one's shiny that one.
Yeah, so it goes in Jackson's pile.
And we've got a Murkrow. Right, you can open another one. We've got Duskull, Houndstone, Miss Magius.
It's really Halloween time. We had Halloween time.
Ooh, spooky.
Look, a ghost Gengar. A ghost Gengar.
So we got, what we got? Poltergeist.
Ready?
Yeah,
Look,
Gengar.
Gengar. A ghost Gengar.
That's Haunter. Ready? Look.
Haunter.
We got
Where's
Haunter. Oh look, Gengar.
But that's the same one that I got.
Yeah, look, we've got 2 almonds and Shuppet.
Okay. Now I'll go over this one.
We got that. We got a Galarian Roggenrus. Trevenant. It's a haunted tree, that is. And a Murkrow. What have you got? That's me. So we've got. Oh, I think that's we ain't got that one yet.
No, we didn't.
Houndstone.
So we didn't know.
There we go. There we
Look
go.
at this one, it's so cool.
Litwick.
Jazz, I got that one.
Driftman.
Look, I got Sony. I did. Got Sony.
Yeah.
I got the Sony.
Right.
Skull.
Duskull.
That's
Houndoom. Actually, sit back then. Murkrow. We've got Ignorus.
Rocket.
Another Trevenant. Angry Tree. And Drifloon. Right, that's all I have it.
Wait, what's this? Oh my god, on a Pikachu!
Let's get that after.
Got Pikachu!
Pika Pika. What else you get?
I'm gonna need some new cards. We haven't got this one for.
Right, we've got Drifloon, Banette, and another Pikachu. Look at that. Right. Mimikyu. And a Graveyard.
I'm getting barely any Pikachus. Look, I got a shiny sleeve.
There we go.
A shiny.
Dust Noir. Back.
Hey, that horsey's so shiny.
It's Winslow. It might be a bit better, so you're going to keep doing forward. Here we go. Look at that, another shiny one.
Look, I got shiny.
Oh wow. Haunter.
Dingo. Can you
Gengar.
put this in? No,
We're
no.
bending the cards.
Skylar, you're bending all the cards. But they are my stuff.
Murkrow.
Oh my goodness, I have 3 packets. I have 3 packets. But Dad, we probably haven't got this one. Dad, I have 3 packets. Yeah, I need a bundle.
There you go.
I need a bamboo one. Yes, I got a fire type.
Let's see the whole lot. There you
This
go.
is a shiny fire type. Dad, this is a shiny one. This is a shiny. Wait, you already have this one.
Right, so what we got here? We got
Oh, I had 3
Shuppet.
more now. I
Houndoom,
thought.
Phantom,
Dad, I have as soon as you said Houndoom, I thought.
Houndoom. There we go.
The shiny's always in the middle.
And we have got Graveyard, Chandelier, and Lampent. What you got, Jats? Delmise, Chandelier, and Drifloon.
I have a Pikachu.
Pika
Why is Skylar getting so much Pikachu?
Graveyard, Pikachu,
Because I
another Delmise.
have all the Pikachu. Well, this one has a Pikachu in it. Because I have a lot. Oh, I don't have this one's going to have a Pikachu in it. But this one don't. Oh, no, I only have my last one left.
We've got Drifloon, Spectra,
Oh, I think
Zubat.
this one's going to have a... Because I don't think that.
What's that one? Delmise.
I don't know why I have carrot. I'm too tired.
You're too tired?
Here's all this Pikachu. I do not finish my card.
It's alright, you don't have to carry on if you don't want to.
Oh, I think I will.
I'll carry on if you want to. You want to lay down?
No.
No? She wants to Pokemon. Zubat.
Gengar.
Gengar. Let's shop it. Right, what we got here? We got Drifloon.
Look over.
Marshadow.
Look.
Yeah. Ghastly. Oh look, another Mimikyu. There we go.
Dad, look, they're the same. They're the same, but one's a shiny.
Jack, sit back.
They're the same, but one's a shiny. One's an upgrade.
Make sure it's in focus. Haunter. So we got Haunter, Dusknoir, Drifloon. Right, go on, Jats.
Some of these Halloween ones some of these
Shoving
Halloween ones we don't have these Halloween ones.
It's all mainly the same. Really now. Haunter, Dusknoir, Drifloon.
I don't know. Oh, there's going to be a lot of cards. There's going to be a lot of shinies coming to our house. There's going to be some Pikachu coming to our house as well.
Yeah.
Oh, Pikachu!
Pikachu.
As soon as I say
No, wait. Pikachu and Drifloon.
As soon as I say Pikachu, I get a Pikachu. Look! Watch Pikachu. Your favourite one of these? Dad, look, Pikachu. I'm going to Pikachu in this pack.
Okay. Here we got.
I'm getting a Pikachu in this pack.
And up. There we go.
I'm getting a Pikachu in this pack. Oh, no, I ain't.
There we go.
Why can't it say no more? Oh.
She's playing with her toys, isn't she?
No more.
Nightcrow,
No
Houndstone,
more.
Rogerus.
No more.
I think they're all really now going to be the same stuff.
Yeah, they are.
Right. So we'll open a few more. Then we'll cut the camera. And I think that'll do that. We'll open all these on our own.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you got here? So you got Marshadow, Murkrow, and Duskull. Alright, if we do these last packs,
Yeah, I ain't got that much left.
so we'll do all these after. Because we have got loads of cards.
I have a finish!
So then,
And so we had a tidy up. Finish my. First we had a tidy up. After
yeah. Well, what we'll do, we'll have a tidy up.
Yes. And we'll go class and then tidy up. And then we'll have. And then.
Right, that's that. We'll let that. Right. So what we're going to do now, we'll have a tidy up. And once all these empty Pokemon packs are cleared, we'll see you back here. So all we've got now.
I want to sit down.
Yeah, 1 second. We've got all these packs cards. So what we're going to do, we're just going to do a quick fast forward as we're opening them. And yeah, we'll go from there. Right, that is it for from all these cards.
So we can put these in there.
Yeah.
Them.
So you got all these Halloween cards. These are the cards from the video before as well. We've all done them in one day.
So we can put them in this.
Yeah. We can put them in the sleeves.
And one of us can have some.
Yeah.
And me and God only can have some.
Yeah. We also we went to this Hertfordshire card show.
And we got that.
We got that, we got sleeves. We got some the Halloween packs as well. So I opened them off camera as well. And yeah, I think we have got a substantial amount of cards.
And also we want to get the packet, so all the packets in my bag.
Yeah, we opened up all the packets in your bag, didn't we?
Yeah.
So the next one, it'll be definitely be a battle.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna smash Jackson.
Well, if you do, then it's 5-2. So.
He's flexing on me now. Look at him. Look, flexing. Yeah. So it'll be good. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah. But now we can put these in the car then.
Well, we can sort through these. We can put these in.
The bags.
No, we can put them in the big folder that I've got.
Oh, yeah.
Now all the ones we haven't got. We'll go through the ones we haven't got. We can put them in our big folder.
Yeah. And the one that we have got can go to the plan.
Yeah.
But and then no more bags, we can put them in these.
Yeah.
Or we can trade some.
Yeah. And that's the video done. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one. What we've got to say, Jats?
Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.
Yeah, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.